everyone, welcome back to my channel Creatively Expressive. My name's Amy and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy hanging garden decor piece using 3 Dollar Tree birdhouses. For this project, I will be using 3 unfinished wood birdhouses from Dollar Tree, a 4-inch round wreath charm from Dollar Tree, a pack of driftwood from Hobby Lobby, a wooden craft ring from Dollar Tree, and a mixture of wood beads. First, I'm going to paint the birdhouses in the colors Caribbean, yellow, and red apple. Once those are dry, I'll tape off the houses with masking tape to protect the areas I just painted. Then I'll paint the roof, base, and perch using the color Burnt Umber. Next, I'll mark the center of each roof. I'll use a tack to create a starter hole, then screw in an eye hook. I'll repeat that same process on the bottom center of each birdhouse. Now I'm cutting the pieces of driftwood in half. If you'd rather not cut them, you can simply use fewer pieces or purchase an extra pack. After cutting, I'll sand the rough edges so that they're smooth and match the natural ends. Then I'll drill a small hole into the center of each driftwood piece. My first holes were too small, so I switched to a larger drill bit to make threading easier. To assemble everything, I'm using jute twine. If you plan to hang this outdoors long term, fishing line would be a more durable option. I'll start by threading the twine through the bottom eye hook of the top birdhouse, lining both ends up evenly. I'll tie a knot just below the eye hook, then I wrap masking tape around the twine ends to make them easier to thread. Next, I'll string 4 pieces of driftwood onto the twine and then thread it through the top eye hook on the second birdhouse. I'll tie 2 knots to secure it, then finish with the double-tied shoestring bow. I'll repeat that same process to attach 4 more pieces of driftwood and the third birdhouse. Now for the wreath charm. I'll sand off the existing design and paint it Caribbean. In Silhouette Studio, I designed a 4-inch circle stencil to fit the charm and cut 2 stencils from removable vinyl using my Silhouette Cameo, one for each side. When applying vinyl, I like to place parchment paper on the back, leaving just a small section exposed. This lets me position it perfectly before sticking it down. Once it's aligned, I press the exposed section into place and then remove the parchment paper to adhere the rest. To prevent paint bleed, I paint a layer of Caribbean over the stencil first to seal the edges. Once dry, I paint over it with burnt umber. Then I peel up the stencil and repeat the same steps on the other side. After that, I'll string 4 more pieces of driftwood and attach the finished wreath charm to the bottom of the third birdhouse. For the hanger, I'll use the wooden ring and my painted beads. I tie a long piece of twine to the wooden ring, then choose my bead pattern. I thread the beads onto a bamboo skewer, separating them with masking tape to make painting easier. The two smallest beads get painted yellow. The two medium beads get painted red apple. The largest bead gets Caribbean, and the two square beads get burnt umber. Once dry, I string them onto the twine beneath the wooden ring. For the final step, I'll tie the hanger to the top eye hook on the top birdhouse and finish it with a double-tied bow. And that's it! This project is complete. If you plan to hang this outdoors, be sure to seal it with a good water-resistant sealant to protect it from the elements. I hope you enjoyed this project and found a little inspiration. If you did, a few free and easy ways to support my channel are to subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, leave a quick comment, even just an emoji, and share it with someone who might enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support more than you know. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!